Yeah.
You just coughed in my grapes. Do you know how many hours, how many days I spent getting those grapes? You son of a... Don't you dare swear, okay? I swear to God. I'll swear right now. You bitch. I better get out of here. Oh. Hey, where do you think you're going? You